Hello, everybody, and welcome to Elevate and Create. I am one of your co-hosts. I am Mike Hamlet. This is part 2 of navigating career transitions. And we literally got the person who wrote a book about asking that question. So let me introduce the talented Casey Roman.
What would you say, bluntly, whatever, to somebody who is a signature away or a decision away between security and comfort and happiness?
My best piece of advice is to reverse engineer that story. I considered, if I fast forward 20 years or to the end of my life, what decision will I have wanted myself to make right now? Will my future self be proud of me in this moment? And every time I went to the very end and I thought about, which is what the book is titled, looking up at a hospital ceiling, what am I going to be super stoked that I had done right now? The answer was getting in that cargo van. And anytime I have a rough decision to make where there's a lot of risk involved, I always think of like, all right, well, what's the story I'm going to want to tell? We do not write books and visit historic sites of people who just keep clocking the hours day in and day out and then can't figure out why they live an uninspired life.